Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? Yo, you already know what time it is, man. You already know the Don is back in the building. You already know, bro. I know y'all miss me, gang. I know y'all miss me. My bad. I'm back. The most iconic line, bro. The most iconic starting on the whole album, bro. You feel me? Everybody love the song, yeah, bro. You see me? When you're no millionaire.
Count up a million the first time. I never look back, you know, come in a reverse time.
Yo!
Poverty and the worst crime, and if you
I mean, man, a Porsche dog say, you know, man, white Porsche, you know, bro. Oh my, you say, Masicka, the video half bad. The video half bad, guy sang bad. You see me, I say, so you can't drop the ball. Let's get it.
road and know what you deserve time. God a guy, but me no give the church mine. Paranoid, must the things of the earth kind. Count up a million the first time.
Say, yo, that line man say, yo, Jah a guy, but me no give the church mine. Paranoid, you must think say the hurt kind. You see me, I say, have a think about that one, meds and line there, you see me?
I never look but me say me jump up crazy, yeah. Then fresh line, wow. Y'all bring your pussy to the best right.
I agreed, so that suit that bad. Easy.
Focus, you the bread mine. Bro, run up on me thing as my the head mine. Blow, straight gunshot and me no friend mine.
Straight gunshot and we not friend before. You see me and say, if you're not a friend of the mafia, you see me, if I'm not a friend of the channel, a straight head shot, but I'm a big friend around here. You see me?
Lay down flat if you no send mine. Now, brain there you tap on some different eye. Joe, be a rifle there you so delphi.
Oh, I'm to you, man, lay down flat in the when I send my door, brother. I'm to you, my youth.
Some different eye. Joe, be a rifle there you so delphi. Bow, drip, chain them lights. Now, click, aim them right. Pow, used to the fuck.
Click, I'm to you, aim them right. Power arm to you.
Fucking low life, low. Where you do make a feel more life, my bro. Jokes in everybody, girl, I want slow. Tongues in everybody, what I buy. Yeah, love me, give every dollar kind.
Listen, man, love we give every dollar kind flow. Yeah.
Chow, love me, she love me, cocky, that's what I now. Lungs to me, say me life, catch you right. Go, green light, go, speed light, oh.
Luxury we say for life, my yo. Green light, go. I'm to you. No one stopping us. I'm to you about Dan Mafia. You can know.
Think you see it and not reap I saw the street light. No, we do it like
pro.
Count up a million the first time. I never look back, you know, come in a reverse time.
Come in, man. I want to you, man. I play some gunshot. The tuna. Masicka, body no me there roll a spliff gang. You see me? So remember this is a reaction chance. If you don't like me talking down there over here, so. You see me, this a react to the video. You see me answer?
Poverty and the worst crime, and if you're your road and know what you deserve time. God a guy, but me no give the church mine. Paranoid, must the things of the earth kind. Count up a million the first time, I never look back. When me do me puff my grades, walk like slave, enough life, save me rough life.
Hey though, I don't like the checker ground, bro. You feel me?
Slave, enough
as this usually means, you know, I don't like the checkered floors. You see me, bro? Because of all the colors, white, black and white. You see me? This shit is usually linked to the Illuminati. You see me? I say so. Masicka, I hope you're not sell out in a G. You see me? I say, but yeah, man, this right here, the checkered black and white floors, is usually linked to the Illuminati. You see me? I say so. I hope your dog no blood, please sell out to him sign. Okay, dog sign to our Interscope. If I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, gang. Yeah, see it. But yeah, man, we hear that all the way. Come here.
Life, save me rough like brave. Money talk, fuck we no touch my ears. Rough night, days we up night. Place, we touch a belly for me touch night. Grave, money man a chase, stuck it night.
That's a fact, Dan Mafia. You see me I say? We want everyone, all like from here, a Dan Mafia family, from here is a Dan Mafia member. You see me? We want everyone now no more prosperous. You see me? Yeah, man, want to know happy, prosperous. You see me? Healthy and wealthy, man. Touch a bill before no touch in a grave, man. Make mommy and daddy proud. You see me? I say, yeah, man, that's what I want for all of my subscribers and followers. Them. Like I say, gang, I watch a video, no, but if I'm not taking the video, you see me? Just do a roll of one spliff. You see me? I say, but I watch a video, man. And Masicka definitely one of the best out right now. You see me? Like me say, definitely like the reigning prince right now. You see me? If not king. You see me? I say, but you don't know. Masicka, do your thing, me G.
Safe, first night, race, flush my ways, I broke life, days me bust my cage. Girl skinny touch, she love my rage. Star pull up on your foot, enough eye, race, enough eye, red for crush my wave, oh fuck them.
say enough. Hey, man say star. Pull up on your, you see me? Pull up on your foot. Enough eyes. Blaze. You see me? I say enough eye red. Stop my rain. You see me? I say man, I talk about to the haters them, you know. Enough body want people want taking. Enough people ready and bad man want taking spot. You see me?
Your foot, enough eye, race, enough eye, red for crush mine. We have for fuck that, girl, my boss mine. Case for back. Count up a million the first time and never look back, you know, come in a reverse time.
To you.
Poverty a the worst crime and if you dey a road and I walk you deserve time. God a kind but me no give the church mine.
Stay there. You must see things at the earth kind.
Paranoid must see things at the earth kind. Count up a million the first time and never look back. Me turn up just on me bad line. Flu, strap mine, crew, no stop line. Blue, up girl line, who, me cash right. True, me Glock strike. Two, I'm money man and men's no my mankind. Ooh, my girlfriend, back, she bad line. Flu, the cat right, glue, the fat right. New, one side, move, a landslide. Groove, boy for your shot and one way inside. Use me and die, boost me ganja. Bruise me hunger, lose me stronger. Fools my family, choose more long way. Cruise from me, you me want make a few
Mills. I want to you, man. Masicka. You don't play with the dog. You see me? That kill the lyrics and the vibe and everything like this, bro. Watch your man money everywhere.
Count up a million the first time and never look back, you know, come in a reverse time. Poverty a the worst crime and if you dey a road and I walk you deserve time. God a going but me no give the check.
I see him host this from Tyrant. I think this is the same house he was at in Tyrant. Good thing.
Paranoid must see things to the earth kind. Count up a million the first time and me no look back, you know, come in a reverse time. Count up a million the first time and never look back.
Why the checkered floors, bro? Why the checkered floors, bro? Cause this look like a yard there. See me? This look like a yard. You know what I'm saying? When I'm building the outside on the roof. You know what I'm saying? But why the checkered floors, bro? Usually checkered floors is a symbol of Illuminati and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, one time say sell out, you know. You see me? I say magic.
You know, come in no reverse time. Poverty a the worst crime and if you're there, you want them to work, you deserve time. See things to the earth kind.
Big up Shane Creative now or never. Tell you say yo, Shane Creative putting in some work for the culture, bro. I'm sure most of the mad blood create video them. You see the artist video them and song out there. Shane Creative and no one never is behind it. Big up them.
Fast now me now get a church mine.
Masicka. Say Masicka. Say Masicka. Big up it. Yeah man, big up it genocide boss man. Dog definitely doing his thing, gang. You see me? That's lit. It's a vibe. Definitely enjoy the one day. What do you think about the one day, gang? Let me know in the comment section so we can chop it up. You see me, dog? Definitely drop a classic album. You see me? Like as time goes on, the more and more I find myself playing that album, as well as like the songs just keep growing and getting better and better. It's a classic album. Like when we just drop it, people was like, "Oh, nobody not playing it like that." And a week on, you play the first time, then a week on two later, you see your album by Jaw Feet, and after you have Jaw Feet and Jaw Feet, man. He did really make a classic. He got two. Right now, I would say Masicka is like the best album artist in Jamaica because he got two classic albums under his belt, and they're back to back consecutively. You know what I'm saying? So he's definitely doing this thing, man. Big up Masicka. Keep doing the thing, dog. Shoot for the stars. We can't wait to see how far you take this thing. You see me? I say we can't wait for the next album. See you get better and better. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, gang. Let's chop them in the comment section. You know anything about this one? Did you think the song, the video live up to the song? And what you think about the song? We already listened to the song when the album dropped, but what do you think about the video? Did the video do the song justice? You know, did Masicka do him thing? I don't know. Let's talk about it. Let's discuss it. You know what I'm saying? You already know what time it is, boy. Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself. Meet you guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.